Here we go.
So they've really taken the outside and brought that inside.
Oh, mate. Sarah and George. Look how cute. Oh.
Everybody needs an upholstery teapot.
Oh, it's going to be another one of those. Oh.
Daniel and Jade.
Using the drawers to separate the spaces makes a lot of sense in terms of where you want to work and how you want to work.
Oh, no way.
Luke and Jasmine.
It looks gorgeous. I love the plantation style.
Oh, jeez.
Jimmy and Tam.
It's all about a cinema experience, I get it.
Yeah.
But it's too high.
Wow. Look at Georgie.
I can't watch.
I better pass out. Here we go.
Well and truly out.
Shane and Blaze, Harry and Tash.
To me, this spells money.
Well done.
Sarah and George.
This whole level works.
Did you like that pause?
Man, I said, what am I going to do to get a half from her? What am I going to do?
Daniel and Jade.
3 bedrooms upstairs, 5-bedroom house.
Is it coming?
Luke and Jasmine.
Doesn't feel finesse to me, just doesn't feel refined.
I'm gonna vomit. That's fair.
And Jimmy and Tam.
This is a couple that has lots of money. And I'm actually looking at this going, so where have they spent it?
OK. She's tight as up here. Now, Jimmy and Tam, would you like to play the Lego gnome?
Nah, we're good, Scotty.
No,
we'll hold on
thanks.
to him.
Can I hold on to him?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
No worries. I'll be back in a tick. I'll be back soon.
Come on, guys. This is your week.
They really do.
Neil
I
Whittaker.
doubt it.
Harry and Tash.
You can feel it when something has been put together with passion and commitment and fun.
Sarah and George.
But everything they've chosen is so right.
Daniel and Jade.
I think a lot of people will walk into this space and see it as a real value add.
Luke and Jasmine.
From a functionality point of view,
Yeah.
not really doing it.
Jimmy and Tam.
I think they have made brown look beautiful. They've made brown sing.
OK. Here we go. The winner of week 8 on the block 2020 and driving out of here with $10,000 cash from our very good mates at Ford is... It's Sarah George! It's a beautiful
That's what that feels like.
That's what that feels
I was holding back the tears. You have no idea what it means. And
That was awesome.
It's just feeling
That
like you
feeling.
belong. Always leaving here every Sunday with the only team that never had that euphoric feeling. And finally, we've done it.
That's
I'm
it.
really proud of you, mate. You
Thanks,
really
I'm proud
stepped
of
up this
you too.
week.
Yep, that's what first place feels like, with 28.5 well-deserved points. In close second were Harry and Tash on 28. Third went to Daniel and Jade on 27.5 points. And fourth to Luke and Jasmine on 26 points. Bringing up the rear, Jimmy and Tam on 25.5 points.